Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And this morning, we're going to take a look at replacing your bad wing walk on an aircraft. So stay tuned. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, this is not a fun job, nor is it a very difficult job. It's just time consuming. And you want to get a paint scraper, and you'll notice that we have beveled it so it's only going in one direction. And that's what we're going to use to get underneath the wing walk and break it loose. At the same time, we're not going to be affecting the gel coat on the wing root. We just want to get the old wing walk off so that we can apply new material. And we're going to just scrape it all off, and I'm going to put in some very quick motion for you to kind of see the process. But again, when it's all done, then we're going to come back. We're going to glue the new cut out to the factory patterns wing walk for both the left and the right, and that just goes down with the adhesive that's on the material, and then a couple of rivets at the front to secure it so the wind doesn't get underneath it and blow it off the aircraft. But again, it's not a hard job, but take a look at all of this, and we hope you found it useful and informative. Hope your wing walks are in good shape and you don't have to do this. Have a great day flying your Grumman. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.